Hello, dear juice learners. Greetings of the day. Are you able to see here? So these birds are moving in circular motion. We don't know why these birds are moving in this circular motion. Maybe this is the signal or indication for any negative natural calamity, tsunami, flood, whatever it may be. Generally, organisms in the nature, especially birds and dogs, etc., they'll behave negatively or differently before the natural calamity. So here these birds are moving in a circular motion. So we don't know what is the reason. We have to wait for that. So let's see what will happen. Thank you.